What's up, you guys? It's that time of year again, cold and flu season. So what I did was cut open an orange, added a little salt on the top with a little sugar. Go ahead and sprinkle it on top. Yes, girl. Add in a round taste of honey, just to your liking. Go ahead and put the top back on the orange. Place it inside of a bowl. Put it inside of the microwave for 2 minutes. That's right, 2 minutes. After it's done, let it cool off. Go ahead and squeeze, and go ahead and give it to your child and watch that cough go away.